Are you boy or girl?
I'm girl.
You are girl.
Yes.
And you are single.
No, I'm married.
You are married.
Yes.
Where's your husband?
My husband is Canada.
Canada.
Yes.
Canada is your husband.
Yeah.
Canada is your husband.
What means husband?
You are married to your Canada.
Yes.
So Canada married you.
Ha. Yes.
So your husband is Canada. That's what you're telling us. Ana leeda. Ma single baad hadda mas'uul waa.
I'm married.
I'm married.
Yes.
Maxaa dhaad ku soo celi?
I'm married.
I am
No, I'm
married.
not single. I'm married.
So saas ma waa inaad dhahdaa I'm a married woman, I'm a spouse, I'm not single, I'm not interested in anyone.
I am single.
English RBS ka soo baratay meesha la imaanaysa loo xataa.
Hadde ha RBS kalmid baa meeshan la joogaa.
English ma taqaan maxaa isku soo.
Waa kasa.
I'm a married. What do you mean?
I am married.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Your English
Your
English is broken English. It's not right English.
Yes, bro, I قردنا English مكسرين